shears, boys, click, click, click. Wide is his blow and his hand very quick. The ringer looks around as though he's beaten by a blow, and he curses the old swagger with his bare-bellied Joe. Out on the board, the old Shears stands, grasping his shares in his thin bony hands. Fixed is his gaze on the bare-bellied Joe. Glory if he gets it, won't he make the ringer go? Click go the shears, boys, click, click, click. Wide is his blow and his hand very quick. The ringer looks around as though he's beaten by a blow, and he curses the old swagger with the bare-bellied Joe. Tar boy is there, awaiting in demand, with his blackened tar pot in his tarry hand. Sees one old sheep with a cut upon its back. Here's what he's waiting for. Tar here, Jack. Click go the shears, boys, click, click, click. Wide is his blow and his hand very quick. The ringer looks around as though he's beaten by a blow, and he curses the old swagger with his bare-bellied Joe. Sharing is all over, and we've all got our checks. Roll up your swag, boys, we're off on the tracks. The first pub we come to, it's there we'll have a spree, and everyone that comes along to have a drink with me. Click go the shears, boys, click, click, click. Wide is his blow and his hand very quick. The ringer looks around as though he's beaten by a blow, and he curses the old swagger with the bare-bellied Joe. Down by the bar, the old Shears stands, grasping his glass in his thin bony hands. Fixed is his gaze on a beer-filled keg. Glory, he'll get down on it, here he stirs a peg. Click go the shears, boys, click, click, click. Wide is his blow and his hand very quick. The ringer looks around as though he's beaten by a blow, and he curses the old swagger with the bare-bellied Joe. There we leave him standing, shouting for all hands, whilst all around him every shouter stands. His eyes are on the cask, which now is lowering fast. He works hard, he drinks hard, and goes to hell at last. Click go the shears, boys, click, click, click. Wide is his blow and his hand very quick. The ringer looks around as though he's beaten by a blow, and he curses the old swagger with his bare-bellied Joe. Curses the old swagger with his bare-bellied Joe.